Welcome to Rockville.
Guys, if you're in the market for a new trials bike, you want to give Kaplan Cycles a call. Guys, if you follow the channel, you know that we sponsored the World Trials GP in Exeter, Rhode Island. We bought 10 brand new gas gases for the factory team to use. I was surprised, 4 of them. This is the last brand new one. It was not ridden at all. Never even took it out of the trailer. It's exactly how we gave it to them, which worked out pretty cool because Gas Gas rented them for us for the weekend. We're passing the savings on you. Junior, tell them about the special offer on this.
Guys, for $59.50, you can buy this brand new bike. That's over $2,500 off of a brand new unit that's under manufacturer warranty. You can call in. There's only a handful of these left, 860-471-0192.
To be clear, there's only one brand new 250 TXT Racing. We've got the used 250 behind us and another brand new 300. There's only a handful of them left. We had 10. We're down to what, 3 or 4?
I could take the deepest rebate that the company has ever had on a trials bike and take away our entire spread, blow it out at dealer cost, and we still wouldn't be able to sell it this cheap, even at our cost. So this is just a massive discount that you won't see again.
Once every 10 years, the World Trials. It's been 7 years since they came. We don't know when they're coming back. We'd love to do this again with Gas Gas. It was a lot of fun, but the real benefit is for you. You're going to buy a brand new 2025 world-class Gas Gas for the price of a used, beat-up 10-year-old one. You can't go wrong. It's really a no-brainer, and we can finance it, and we take trades. So we'll ship it right to your door anywhere in the planet. So call Junior, buy one or buy all 3, but you'll never, ever get a deal like this again. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.